Hello friends, welcome to my channel MSM Tech Care. If you want to prank your friends with fake WhatsApp messages, so you clicked on right video. In today's video I will show you how to create fake WhatsApp chat. First we will open our Play Store and we'll search app name fake WhatsApp chat. Now we will open third app. Now we will install it. Now we will open it. Now we will click on new chat option. Now we will add the name here. Now we will add profile picture. Now we will enable the option online. Now we will create a fake chat. First we will message hi and how are you. Now we will reply back with other number. For this, we will type the message. Before sending the message we will enable this option and we will turn it into white. And this is how you can create fake WhatsApp chat. So here are today's video ends. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching.